Have you ever seen the fuel pump on your car? Well, welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Certified Master Technician. Well, it's not likely you've ever seen the fuel pump on your car because it's inside the fuel tank. And this is a typical fuel pump right here. Now, when the fuel pump quits, so does your car. So it's important to do whatever you can to protect it. It's a fairly expensive investment, and so if you've got an estimate on it, this gives you a little bit better look at it so you know what the fuel pump is. Now, here's my 2 tips for you on the fuel pump. Number 1, it sits in the fuel. So if you keep your fuel level above 1/4 of a tank, the fuel pump will run cooler and last longer. And then number 2, if your car has an external fuel filter, replacing that regularly too helps extend its life. So for your sake, I hope you don't have to buy a fuel pump, but if you do, we'd be glad to help you out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.